Look what I got. I'm so happy. So today we are trying a new hobby, and the hobby is making pipe cleaner crafts. So these are pipe cleaners. So it's just a wire, and then the wire has some fuzzy, what do we call this fuzzy stuff? Yeah, so it's just wire and the fuzziness. So I've been seeing so many of pipe cleaner art. Some are just out of this world. I've seen flowers, which is what I want to start with, but then God, I've seen, oh my goodness, people are so creative. Like, I've seen things out of this world. And today we're starting with flowers because I'm making a flower bouquet. I want to make a flower bouquet for my sister-in-law for her, but I'm going to need a glue, so I'm going to use this glue gun. This is what I'm going to use to attach the flowers and the stems and all that. I hope the glue sticks that I have are enough. So, I've been selling craft items. Now, every time when I want to try a new craft, that's when I realize that I've sold most of the glue sticks. I hope the ones that I have are going to be enough to make those flowers. So I'm gonna start off with a tulip. I already made the petals. Look at that. So I'm gonna join this. So right now I'm making these leaves because I don't have like a thin stick for the flower stick. I'm using another pipe cleaner, so I'm just rotating the leaves around the pipe cleaner, and then I'll give it a bend at the end like this.
I have to go. I'm so sorry.
Just spun it slowly. You see, it comes out way cleaner than when I do it from the top. So I'm going to burn it from the bottom. Yeah. Yes, we're learning as we go. And also for the petals, like the tip of the petals, because when cutting it, like, it ends up forming a lot of dust. So we're just gonna burn it with the blue flame. Yeah, and we have that. You see? So right now we're making lavenders. So give it a stretch, and then do that. And then and do that. Lavenders. So I'm twisting 2 strands of the pipe cleaners to make the stem. So I'm just twisting them. Now yeah, all set. I can get back to making more flowers. More flowers. More flowers. So I'm done making the lavenders. They're so pretty. Okay. Just remembered I had something I can use as a thimble because I keep on pricking my finger. So now we're good to go. So right now we're making lilies. So look how pretty it is. So I'm using this, it's like, is it brown or burnt orange? And then I'm adding the glitter one by the edge. Let me show you how that is turning out to be. It's too pretty. I think this will really make nice flower hair clips like this. Too pretty. So yeah, I'm going to try and make one in brown. This is like chocolate brown, and this other shade of brown, and then beige. There's also beige, so I'm gonna try and make that. So I figured because I have so many of the brown and beige, maybe I can make that in the lilies, then I can just add the lavenders and the leaves. So I'm going to leave the other orange and blues because it's gonna make it look so over the place. So I'm just gonna make leaves and then the lilies and then just lavenders. Iko hapa. Unateremsha hii chini.
Nifungue hivi.
Sio vile usha twist hivi. Si ndio? So unateremsha hii chini hivi.
Ika chini.
Then the other one pia, you bring it down like this.
Yes, me too.
And then unataka kutumia hii kufunga sasa hizi. Hii ndio zimeshika hivi. Unataka kutumia hii moja kuzifunga.
Tumia moja kuzifunga. Na yangu ni kama
just close. Liko hivi. Tumeshika hivi. So tumia hizi
tumia this one, close this.
Mama,
like this one should be out, yeah?
Na hiyo ibaki tu kama imesimama.
Mama, natengeneza flowers.
Yes.
Watch Mimi.
Inabaki hivyo, si ndio?
Like this, yes.
And then nione. Ni vile hii ilikuwa nafaa kwa ndani ya hii. Tunaweza izungushia.
Oh, the two.
Tu ikae intact. Haya, sasa hiyo ndio kubend hivi. Na bend kidogo.
But you see, mine doesn't have this.
Hebu nione.
I don't know what I did. I think.
Ulikunja sana. Unaona umekunja refu. Unakunja tu once. So ulizi waste hapa.
Mama,
unakunja long sana. Na tu kidogo.
Mama.
Ni kukunja tu so that you can turn.
Okay.
Mama.
So you just do it once.
Yes,
Ona, once.
yeah, tengeneza baby.
Make sure when you're inserting it, ni on this side where when you open inakuwa hivi, so ni hapa.
So, like this,
yeah.
Like that, Then how you shika this one? Shika that one. Then you nini. You zungusha it kidogo. Like that. Very nice. Then flower. Then you do like this. Yes? Like that.
One.
Then
One.
for only shade this one here. Chicken roll for. Then that's why opening.
Ibend kidogo ndio ikuwe rahisi.
Ni bend hivi. Then try opening. Harry, we made it. No, bring, we see first. Oh, nice, very
Nice.
yeah.
Yangu.
Yes, this is yours.
Let me see.
Give mama. You have tried?
So una spread out a little.
Oh, you spread it a little.
Ndio like unaona ina fan out hivi. So we're done with the flowers, the lavenders. So now I'm reusing this plastic bottle and I want to make a vase. So I just want to cover it with the black ones, make a vase, then fill it with stones, and then I'll insert the flowers and then cover the top part with the green. So the pipe cleaners weren't working well as a cover up for this bottle. So I think I'm going to either use this mesh or crochet something for it. So these are the decorative pebbles that I want to place in the bottle.